Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the best 5 pet carpet cleaner. If you want more information about update and pricing, please check out the description and link. So let's start the video. Number 1. Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner. Features: 3-in-1 combination cleaning action. The tap of the machine is quite long. Powerful 5.7 amps motor. Separate clean and dirty water tanks. Includes a 6-inch stair tool. Small and large brushes. 2.9-liter detergent tank. 3.5-liter waste tank. There is also a self-contained tool known as the Stain Trapper tool, which is designed to isolate messes from your pets into the tool so that it doesn't affect the rest of your machine, which might potentially cause damage or unwanted smells. In the end, though, none of those things would be very important if the suction of the system itself wasn't very good or powerful. Thankfully, the Bissell SpotClean Pet Pro Portable Carpet Cleaner offers excellent suction. The machine cleans up things like stains and odors, along with smaller messes that your pet makes, with an incredible amount of ease and effortlessness. It may be small, but it is powerful. Pros: 3-inch tough stain tool scrubs and suctions away tough pet stains. 6.25 amps of power removes deep down dirt and stains efficiently. Cons: this kink is where the pipe will wear and crack over time. Number 2. Bissell ProHeat 2X Lift-Off Pet Carpet Cleaner. Features: power and performance. In upright mode, the Bissell ProHeat gives you a deeper clean than the commercial carpet cleaners you've probably been renting. And without the hassle of having to lug it home each time you need it. The advanced technology employed in the cleaning head makes this possible. It uses 2 powered brushes that loosen dirt even from high pile and long fiber carpets. It also features Bissell's patented Heatwave Technology to make sure the water stays hot the entire time you're cleaning. Lifting away the portable carpet cleaner from the upright gives you the same power in a more compact package. Instead of the double brushes, the lift-away version has 2 head options, a spraying tool for crevices and other hard-to-reach places, and a 3-inch stain tool for deep, effective cleaning of upholstery and carpeted stairs. Pros: dual-powered brushes remove even, set-in stains and embedded dirt. Lift-away portable mode is excellent for stairs, cars, and furniture. Gets an effective clean of any carpet thickness. Cleaning solution prevents stains and odors. Cons: 24 pounds before the water in upright mode. It can only use attachments in the lift-away mode. Number 3. Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner. Features: 2 tank systems divide dirty and clean water. The removable nozzle makes maintenance simple. Edge sweep bristles help baseboards and around furniture. Clean powerfully remove tough stains and pet messes. Collapsible handle for storage to easily fit into small spaces. Bissell Oxy-based formula eliminates stains. This carpet cleaning machine was developed with pet owners in mind, and it does a great job of getting rid of pet urine stains. You want a carpet cleaner that's going to thoroughly clean your carpets and loose rugs? Well, the Bissell Turboclean has what it takes. The 4-row rotating dirt lifter power brush is designed to give you one of the most effective carpet cleaning actions. The power brush lifts out dirt that's been ingrained deep into the carpet fibers, removing stains that have been there for years. It has side bristles that clean right up to the sides of your room. The model Turboclean 2085 is motivated by pet mess cleaning. When combined with Bissell Oxy-based formulation, the carpet cleaner makes it easy to get spots and stains like coffee, wine, grape juice, even cat and dog urine out of your carpet, area rugs, little hallways, and many other high-traffic places. Pros: 4-row dirt lifter power brush removes stains and embedded dirt. Separate water wash and dirty tanks prevent cross-contamination. Cons: no attachments to clean upholstery or stairs. No water heater technology. Number 4. Bissell DeepClean Deluxe Pet Carpet Cleaner and Shampooer. Features: dirt lifter power brushes. The dirt lifter power brush's special dual rotating brushes are ideal for when you want your carpet cleaning machine to dig deep and root out dirt and pet stains that's been lying dormant for years. 12 rows of cleaning brushes take care of business here, and users are often taken aback by the results they produce. It works well for pet owners looking for a good dose of added cleaning power. Heatwave Technology. When you simply must have a carpet shampooer to really get to work on those stubborn stains, you'll find that a machine which uses warm water is that bit more effective. The Heatwave technology featured inside the carpet cleaner keeps your cleaning water and cleaning solution at a constant temperature, giving you the kind of results you've always expected from a high-quality carpet cleaner. Edge-to-edge cleaning. The DeepClean Deluxe 36Z9 also features the patented Bissell edge sweep technology, cleaning right up to the baseboards of any room. It saves you the time and effort of having to clean the edge of any carpet or rug by hand basically, a novel feature we'd love to see on more carpet cleaners. Pet hair collector. You might love your furry friends, but your carpet cleaner may have trouble dealing with their hair. Those messes of hair can clog up the cleaning nozzles and get mixed up inside your dirty water tank too. To stop that from happening, Bissell have built a pet hair trapper into this carpet shampooer. Large 2-in-1 gallon tank. The carpet cleaner comes equipped with a 1.25-gallon tank. It uses a 2-in-1 bladder-style tank. Clean water is filled up into a bladder bag inside the water tank. Dirty water is suctioned back into the water tank, filling the part outside the bladder bag. Pros. The unit has a dozen rotating brushes to help deep clean the carpet, removing debris that has ground in or sunk in, rather than sucking hard on the fibers and hoping to pull out the debris. An upholstery hose for cleaning your couches or your stairs. Great job of removing the water, so your carpets dry within an hour. Cons. This is less of a problem if you are only spot cleaning a pet stain, and emptying the dirty water container is awkward. Number 5. Bissell CleanView Swivel Upright Bagless Carpet Cleaner. Features. Triple action brush roll. A triple helix brush roll, the 2252 works a lot better at loosening, lifting, and removing embedded dirt particles and strands of pet hair from medium and high pile carpeting than ever before. The brush roll bristles rotate gently on all surfaces, leaving tile and hardwood floors in perfect shape without leaving ugly scratches and gashes. Scatter-free cleaning. The Bissell CleanView Swivel Pet comes with 2 unpowered side brushes that prevent dirt from scattering all over the place. They ensure that every piece of dust in the vacuum's path stays in place for the suction inlet and triple action brushes to pick up and remove permanently. Edge-to-edge cleaning. The side brushes also work well at bringing dirt from the sides into the suction inlet. This allows you to move the 2252 along edges and in corners, so no speck of dirt is left unsuctioned. Swivel neck. Like most uprights, the 2252 uses a swivel neck that lets you roll the vacuum cleaner in between and below furniture, so no part of your floors are left unvacuumed. Though a handy feature, we find that the bulky design of the 2252 makes it quite cumbersome to navigate in tight spaces, so we rely heavily on the suction hose and vacuum attachments to clean hard-to-reach areas. Washable filter. The multi-cyclonic filter system is removable from the 2252 and washable under a faucet. When the vacuum cleaner eventually loses suction power, simply detach the filter from the system and wash. Large dustbin. The 2252 has the capacity to hold onto as much as 1 liter of dirt, hair, and other particles it manages to remove from carpets and smooth floors. The large dustbin lets you work longer during each cleaning session before needing to empty the bin out. A truly convenient feature to have, especially if your home's floors are several hundreds of square feet wide. Pros. Scatter-free technology saves time. 27-foot power cord and 6-foot extendable hose. Features powerful triple-action brush roll for easy pet hair pickup. Swivel steering allows reaching hard-to-reach spots quite effectively. Easy empty dirt bin at the bottom makes emptying junks and debris. Easily detachable and washable filter for long-lasting suction power. Cons. Pet hair may get caught in brushes. Hard to get under low furnishings. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in future. Be sure check out the description and links for final most of day pricing and other product mention in this video.